magnetic and suction cup base kit from TELESIN. They market it for the Insta360 Go 3, but it can pretty much be used with anything with a quarter 20 mount. Anyways, let's open this up and see what we got in the box. Here's the packaging. Let's open it up. Manual. Here's the suction cup base. A little ASMR for you. Let's check out the magnetic base. It has a soft silicone padding. That's pretty much it. Let's look at the magnetic base first. This base has 6 powerful magnets in a circular pattern that help hold it in place. It's definitely going to need some force in order to take it off things. It has a silicone cushion to prevent scratches. So you can get that unique exterior car shot without worrying about it falling off or scratching your car. I'm not gonna lie, I was definitely worried about this thing falling off when I was driving, but it didn't move at all.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Now let's take a look at the suction cup base. It's a little bit wider and taller than the magnetic base, which makes sense. It has a powerful vacuum suction to adhere to places. It attaches by simply turning this knob. It locks into place and isn't gonna move until you want it to. That's not going anywhere. If it gets dirty, just simply rinse it under water and let it dry before you use it again. This works great on flat surfaces where the magnetic base has nothing to attach to. They market these for the Insta360 Go 3 probably because of the load capacity. They state that both these bases have a load capacity of 300 grams, but I found that it can handle more than that. I was curious if it could handle my full frame camera with a lens attached to it. Now my camera weighs 657 grams and my lens is 524 grams. So in total that's 1,181 grams. And as you can see, it can easily hold it. Now I don't suggest using it like this because I'm sure they gave a load capacity limit for a reason, but at least you know it can handle it if you need it to. And like I was saying in the beginning, you can use both these bases with anything with a quarter 20 mount on it, like a ball head, a GoPro adapter, or even a phone holder. Speaking of phone mounts, have you ever struggled looking for music or sound effects for your videos? This has nothing to do with phone mounts. Anyways, if you're looking for music or sound effects, check out Audiio. They feature over 6,000 tracks and more than 30,000 sound effects to use on any digital platform. They have an incredible layout with filters to easily find the music that you need. Audiio is providing my viewers with 70% off the first year of their Pro Plan subscription, which makes it only $59 for the year. Basically, that makes it just under $5 a month. All of the assets that you download during your subscription period are yours to use forever. So if you decide to not continue your subscription, you're still covered for the projects that those assets were used in. Sign up using the link below and use my code SAVE70 to enjoy 70% off your first year of Audiio Pro. So yeah, if you're interested in these mounts, I'll have them linked down below. They come as a set, but you can buy the magnetic base separately if you wanted to. Anyways, I'm gonna head back to the courts to get some practice in because I don't think you understand how long it took for me to get those couple shots to drop.